Welcome to SKUuz, the product catalog management platform with AI in its DNA. If you sell products online, you already know the challenge. Incomplete or inaccurate data is living in spreadsheets and databases all over your company. Last-minute escalations to get products online before launch take a toll on your employees. If you have hundreds or thousands of SKUs, it's time to learn how to manage your products differently. We start in the SKUuz dashboard. From here, we can see what we still need to do to get our SKUs ready for launch. Missing data, incomplete variants, and missing images are all tracked by our intuitive SKUuz health checks that constantly update with new insights on what still requires attention. SKUuz AI is watching your data to ensure you know your most pressing concerns in real time. Clicking on the SKUuz Products tab, we see an editable grid view for bulk editing of our products and variants with Excel-like keyboard shortcuts and formulas. From this single view, we can see our products and their variants, allowing a single view for an entire product record. We can also open the Details tab, which lets us see more information about the products, variants, and images. Our readiness checks on the left let us know what remains to be completed on this record. SKUuz has all the attribute controls you expect from a SaaS product platform, like single and multi-select drop-down lists, range attributes, and dedicated number fields with units of measure. Clicking on the Variants tab, we can see all the attributes required for your variant strategy. SKUuz allows you to configure the attributes your business requires without requiring a developer or technical resources. Clicking on the Images tab, you can see the assets that are tied to these records. You can also generate new 360-degree spins, lifestyle shots, and remove backgrounds from images to complete your product image requirements through SKUuz AI Media Generator. One image turns into many to enhance your product listings. Speaking of AI, you can tune the SKUuz AI Content Generator to your exact requirements. Then, click the Generate button, and the AI uses your existing product content to build engaging and robust product marketing data for your e-commerce platform. When your products, variants, and images are complete, simply click Publish to e-commerce, and SKUuz Publishing takes over. The Publish feature allows you to build hierarchies that align to your website taxonomy, apply rules globally or at a node level, and automate the assignment of records to your website taxonomy. You can see what products are already attached to ensure your listings reach your website, and SKUuz Publish listens for changes to records to publish those as well. Do you have multiple team members? Our control panel allows your administrator to make changes and configure your environment to your exact needs, while your employees only see the data collection screens. You can configure the AI, adapt your data model to your business, and add users to your environment, all while your employees are working in the system. No need to reboot or have anyone log off. The system adapts in real time. You can be up and running in hours instead of weeks or months with our fully configurable platform. We welcome you to try SKUuz today for free at www.skuuz.com and see how SKUuz can help you get your product data chaos under control.